stop there, stop.
Alright, mate.
Man.
Do you need a hand?
No, thank you, Alright, yeah. I'll take it around here.
Go on, mate, go in front of me.
Cheers, mate, thank you. What the f are you thinking, mate? Mate, come here, look at, come here. Listen, come here. Let me show you the lanes. Look.
Hang on, look, see the lane, yeah?
Yeah.
Comes round here,
the lane you're in. Look at the lane. Look at the lane you're in.
I know exactly the lane I'm in, mate.
I'm not exactly the lane I'm in, mate.
You do, you don't?
Yeah, I do, mate.
So what lane are you in?
I'm in that lane. She tells me to come round here. I indicated to come round to the left, which I did, and you cut straight across me. You cut straight across me, mate. Yeah, you did.
No, mate.
Yeah,
there's 3 lanes, right?
Yeah, that's right, there is 3 lanes.
So the outside lane
you're
you're
okay
in,
though,
listen,
to be fair.
my leg's okay. The outside lane you were in, right? I don't want to argue about it. I'm just telling you the truth, right? The outside lane you were in goes round the roundabout and up there, right? The 2 lanes on the outside, the 2 lanes on this side go straight on.
Well, everyone does it, so...
No, but you cut across me, yeah?
Well,
so I was in the right lane.
I didn't cut across you, I did. I cut around, and you hit the back of me. In front of me. And I braked straight away because I saw you had the corner of my eye.
Look, you smashed my leg.
Well, as long as you're alright though.
I am alright, I am.
That's good.
Hang on, look.
Is your bike alright?
I don't think you hit my bike, I think you hit my leg. You've hit my peg. You've hit my peg here. The peg. Look, that, I'll be able to buy that part. So if you'd rather just give me the money for the part, I'm happy to do that. It'll probably be about 150 quid.
How much?
Probably about 150. Like, I will send you the part.
Yeah, of course. I'll have to take you have to take my name or my number.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I don't want to do it for insurance.
No, I'd rather not. I'll just weigh you out, you know what I mean? That's not a problem. You get a quote on it or something, and we're sort of alright, mate. That's all I'm worried about, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, it's a bit of metal, you know what I mean? I'm just I'm worried about yourself, you know?
You've only caught me here. Like, everything else seems alright. The brake's okay. It's only that it's just wedged. It's finished.
Probably put that loose, you know?
Yeah, it's just popped out there. Look. Yeah.
Put that loose, you know?
Then. Oh, it's not down there. Yeah, might have to. Just that whole contraption just comes off. Right.
I think it could have been a lot worse, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
You know, all I'm worried about is you're alright, mate. That's all I'm alright about. Like I say,
but yeah,
that can all be repaired, you know?
Yeah.
But you can't.
I know.
So that's the main thing.
But yeah, just be.
I'll be more aware of.
But like, I'm just saying, like, if you look, can you see that arrow?
You see the amount of people who are doing it now.
I know they do, mate. I know they're cutting across.
So she's following everyone else.
You see that arrow? That's turn right. That's why I just follow that lane, mate. You know what I mean? It's not me cutting across.
Even he just on his scooter.
No, he was in the middle. He was in. I watched him. So I sat in that middle lane, and that's what I followed round.
You watch everyone. Everyone does it.
Yeah. But all I'm saying is, it weren't me cutting across.
Yeah, of course. I'm not going to say arguing, mate. You know what I mean?
All right, look, I'll get the part number. And I'll send you a picture of it as well. And so just so you know, I'm not trying to fucking mug you off. It's just a bit of metal.
I mean,
like
obviously,
100 quid.
I mean, obviously, if they can just repair the peg or something, then whatever. You know what I mean? We're still saying that anyway. You know.
It just bolts off and on.
We're still saying that anyway.
All right, mate.